Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the kit is intact and within expiry, because accuracy depends on reagents. Once done, wash your hands and don gloves, set out a clean, dry workspace and place components in order. Make sure to label the sample tube with the correct ID and collection time so results track to the right person. Next, prepare any required buffer and a timer. This first set of actions prevents cross-contamination and speeds the rest of the procedure. You now collect and process the sample precisely because the test sensitivity depends on correct technique. For a nasal swab, insert to the specified depth and rotate. For saliva or blood, follow volume cues. Once collected, insert the swab into the buffer and agitate while squeezing the tube to release material. Then transfer the manufacturer's specified number of drops into the cassette well. Start the timer right away and keep the test flat at the recommended temperature to ensure valid flow and reaction. You finish by interpreting the result at the exact read window because early or late reading can mislead. Check the control line first to confirm the test worked, then assess the test line and document findings with time and ID. Dispose of the used kit and biohazard materials safely, disinfect the surface, and remove gloves. If the control line is absent or results look smeared, repeat the procedure with a new kit and fresh sample. This single troubleshooting step resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.